For decades, traditional GIS helped us understand the world, but today GeoAI is redefining how we see it. Traditional methods rely on manual digitization, every feature, every boundary, drawn by hand, but GeoAI changes the game, automatically extracting patterns from massive data sets in seconds. What took an hour, or even days, now happens on real time. From limited processing to handling millions of data points instantly, traditional GIS shows what has happened and what is happening. But GeoAI goes further. It predicts what will happen next. From predicting floods before they strike, to monitoring crops with precision, to building smarter, more responsive cities, GeoAI transforms data into decisions. This isn't just faster mapping, it's intelligent understanding. Traditional GIS shows the past. GeoAI reveals the future. The future of geospatial is here. For content like this, follow and subscribe to Indaca Institute of Skills and stay updated.